Hello students, how are you? You all are fine. I hope you all are well at your home. So today we are going to learn our lesson number 3, part 2. Lesson title is Programming Multiple Sprites in Scratch. So I just repeat your definition regarding programming, sprite and scratch, and then after I start my today lecture. So students, do you know what is called programming? So programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform a various task. It means programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform a various task. Now, students, do you know what is sprites? So, sprites all have separate script. Means it is a sprite have a separate scripts. Now we move other point sprite. So, student, do you know sprites? So, sprites all have separate script. Sprite, an object in Scratch which performs function controlled by script. And do you know what is a script? A script is a written character. In previous lecture I already explained you in deeply. So today I explain your today topic. Okay. So let us we move to our today topic. So you move to your page number. Wait for few minutes. Page number 61. Page number 61. Each point on the stage is represented by two numbers. In Scratch, these numbers are called X and Y values. Each point on the stage is represented by how many numbers? Two numbers. So it is called, these numbers are called X and Y values. क्या है? X and Y value. Let us look at example of this in real life. Now we move to example in our real life. Jyoti, you stay in 4-story building, isn't it? Yes. Jyoti say yes. I stay in house number of 4C of the building. Jyoti say Jyoti stay on the 4th floor of the building and the building name is C. So we have 4 houses on each floor. This horizontal line X, which represents the house on each floor, has value A, B, C and D. I explain this topic into your picture. Below your picture I show you. So the vertical line Y, which represents the floor, has value 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we move. So then the address of the third house on the second floor is 2C. Here you can see in the y-axis the value of floor number. Floor number. And the x-axis value is floor name. Like A, B, C and D. Okay students. So here you can easily see X has store the value of floor name and here Y store the value of floor number. So now you can easily find. So this is the Jyoti house. So where it is located? Here we can count 1 floor, 2, 3 and 4. Which floor Jyoti house? 4. And the building name is A, B and C. What is the building name of Jyoti? 4. C. It means Jyoti stay on the fourth floor. Which floor? Fourth floor. And the building of Jyoti's name is 4C. Now we move to further informations. Good. Now get back to this text instruction. We have to move the sprite to a particular position on the stage at the start of the game. We have to move our sprite on particular stage position. Now we move to our game. In which block will you find the movement instruction? Which block you can find the movement instruction? In our motion block. Which block we can find our movement instruction? Motion blocks. Okay. Jyoti points to the go to instruction. Let's try this out. Jyoti say, let us try. So here you can see this is your sprite program. Today I explain you theory, and after finishing our theory portion, the next lecture will be our practical. Okay students, so I hope you all are understand your theory, and then after you do your practical. Next, this is the picture of your sprite scratch program. So here the x-axis and y-axis display go to this position on the stage. When you click on green color flag, then what happen? Your practical output will show you. Now say, now I am a stage left for a 2 seconds. So here you can easily write it here in motion block. Where we write? In our motion block. Next, Tejas and Jyoti used to go to x and y axis. Tejas and Jyoti used to go to x axis and y axis instruction. The instruction to position the first sprite on the stage. It means your first sprite on the stage. The script area. So students, do you know what is the script area? So script area, the area where we move our sprite. So it's called our script area. Script area is a which color? Black color. What happened to the script that we wrote? What happened? So here click sprite 1 and we can see what happened. Oh, it is back. Yes, but observe that this is the script for sprite 1. You have to write a separate script for sprite 2. It means if you write a other sprite 2, so you also write a separate script of different sprite. Okay students. Okay, at the start we want both the sprite to be positioned on the stage. We want both sprite on the stage position, and the starting instruction has to be the same. Means both sprites starting information we mention same. Correct. Here in this picture you can easily see this is the picture of one game playing catching ball game. Which game? Catching ball game. In this picture there are three sprites. How many sprites? 3 sprites. 1, 2 and 3. In the first sprite I put my background as a garden. And the sprite 2, I put the picture of girl. And sprite 3, I put the picture of boy. Okay, you can easily see here in this picture. Now, sprite 2 has face to face sprite 1. It means the this boy and girl face is look face to face. Okay, how do we change the direction of this sprite? How we can change the direction? So they just point toward the instruction block. So with the use of motion block, we change the direction of the sprite. With the use of motion block, we change the direction of sprite. Now we move. This is again a movement of the sprite. Let us check inside the motion block. We can use these. We can use the motion block. You need to make sure that in sprite information area, it means you must be know about sprite information area, and the rotation style is selected. It means with the use of double arrow you select your rotation style. Now here you can easily see Tejas and Jyoti enter the following instruction to position the second sprite on the stage. Tejas and Jyoti enter the following instruction to position the second sprite on this stage. It means Tejas and Jyoti give the instruction of second sprite on this stage. So here you can see point towards sprite 1 and go to x-axis 176 and y-axis minus 85. It means here your direction will change. Now let us import the ball sprite from sprite library. Our game name is catching ball. So without ball you are play your game? No. So here what we do? We import. Import means we insert the picture of ball. From where we insert a picture? From sprite library. Where we import the picture? From sprite library. I select the picture of ball and then after I import this picture. So here you can see the icon for choose sprite from library. So it's called Giga. It's called Giga. So students, do you know what is a Giga? So the icon for choose your sprite from library. Choose a sprite means choose any picture from library. सो इज कॉल्ड गीगा. जो आइकॉन है यहीं पे देखो ब्लैक कलर का, सो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गीगा. इज कॉल्ड गीगा. Now we move to further instruction. The selected sprite is added to the existing sprite list. It means selected sprite add into our existing sprite list. So next, let us place the ball in the hand of the sprite 1. It means what happened now? In your sprite, in your pictures, the ball is with the girl hand. It means sprite 1. So here you can see they just use the mouse and move the ball sprite. They just what they do? They just move the mouse and moves the ball sprite to the hands of the sprite 1. Then he points to the X and Y position of the ball sprite display in the current sprite window. It means the ball sprite X and Y X value display on current sprite. Where it is display? On current sprite. It means sprite 1. Here you can see sprite name is batch ball. Here you set your x value, you set your y value, you set your direction. Then you can drag in a player and you can show. Click on the show option. Then next, the x and y position of the sprite is displayed in this block. The value of x is 6 and y is minus 128. When sprite 1 threw the ball, it should land in the hand of sprite 2. It means girl throw the ball and boy catch this ball to your hand. So here sprite 1 throw the ball, it should land in the hand of the sprite 2. They just move the ball sprite into the hand of sprite 2. So here the x and y position of the sprite display here. X is equal to 178 and y is equal to minus 85. Now we have to use instruction from the control block to repeat the action. It means from where we control the, for where we use the instruction. So from control block we use the action. Good. Now write the script for the ball sprite. Now what we do? Write the script for the ball sprite. So here Tejas and Jyoti enter the following instruction for the ball sprite to animate the game of throw ball. What happened here? Tejas and Jyoti enter the instruction for a ball sprite. Ball sprite means ball picture, and to animate the game name is throw ball. So here you can easily see when you click on green flag, so what happen? Your output will show one by one. It means you change your script of your sprite, so it is easily displayed. Tejas and Jyoti click the green flag button and are happy to see the two sprites through ball on stage. We will give it the title Catch Me and Play. The name of the title, the name of the game, Catch Me and Play. So let us glide this ball all over the title. The make it jump into the hand of sprite 1. So that is good idea. We have to add one more sprite for the title. It means in this chapter, if you want anything added, if you want write something, you want add something, so every time you create a different sprite. Okay. So here Jyoti and Tejas create the title sprite and place into stage. क्या कर रही है तेजस एंड ज्योति? Tejas and Jyoti write the title. It means create the title of sprite and drag this title into the stage. The ball sprite instruction block is modified as under. चलो अब देखते हैं यहीं पे block modify instruction. So here sprite information on stage. The first step, to view the size of the sprite, select the checkbox. Okay, if you check the sprite size and you can check. Second step, similarly backdrop name, display the backdrop name on the stage. क्या डिस्प्ले कर रहा है? बैकड्रॉप नेम ऑन द स्टेज. कॉस्ट्यूम, सो कॉस्ट्यूम डिस्प्ले इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कॉस्ट्यूम. क्या डिस्प्ले करते हैं? इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कॉस्ट्यूम. सो इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन इजीली सी कैच एंड प्ले गेम. वेट फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. The modified instruction of the ball sprite are shown in the figure. So this is the modification instruction of the ball sprite. So let us take a break and play throw ball outside. Here the size, go to x size is 5 and y axis minus 45. Glide is 1 second. X is 124 and y axis value minus 74. Forever you change the glide and x-axis value, then after glide and y-axis value. Then in the broadcast you select jump 1 and jump 2. It means यहीं पे क्या होगा? बॉयज़ के हाथ में से वो बॉल जंप करके गर्ल के हाथ में जा रहा है और गर्ल के हाथ में वो बॉल, गर्ल किसको दे रही है? बॉय को. मीन्स बॉल कैसे आएगा? जंप करके. तो इसीलिए हमने ब्रॉडकास्ट में क्या सेट किया? जंप 1 and 2. मोज, तेजस एंड ज्योति प्ले द गेम इन द प्लेग्राउंड. वेर दे बोथ ऑफ यू प्ले द गेम. सो मोज, तेजस एंड ज्योति आर प्ले दिस गेम इन द प्लेग्राउंड. When we were playing outside, the ball sometime went to the left or right of the player, but still we were able to catch it. Can we make the sprite do the same in the animation? Yes, we can do. You can suppose I am throwing the ball. How do you know that you have to move to the right or left to catch the ball? So when I look at the direction the ball is coming from, I know which way I have to move. It means जब बॉल आपके पास आता है तो आपको क्या देखना है? बॉल की डायरेक्शन देखनी है और उसके बाद आपको पता चल ही जाएगा कि मुझे कौन सी डायरेक्शन में मूव होगी तो ये बॉल मेरे पास आ जाएगा. करेक्ट. वी नीड टू प्रोवाइड दिस signal in the program by sending a message to all the sprite. So see the instruction in the control block. So your all instruction are stored in your control block. Okay students, so today here I am stop your topic because this is your theory base and I just explain you you just understand, you don't know regarding your practical. So next lecture I show this topic with your practical, and then you all are understand. So today here I stop this topic, and the next lecture I show practical, and I also explain this with the use of practical. Okay students, so here today your theory portion will, and now next lecture I explain you practical. So thanks, have a